Welcome to our spotlight on the LEONC Design 61-inch creative LED floor lamp. A perfect blend of minimalist modern style and cozy warmth. This elegant lamp features a fabric shade with a unique twisting tower design that complements any decor, making your space feel larger and inviting. It offers 3 dimmable light intensity levels controlled by a convenient foot switch, providing soft, gentle illumination ideal for creating a warm atmosphere. Lightweight and easy to assemble in just 15 minutes, it stands over 5 feet tall and includes a weighted steel base to prevent tipping. The lamp uses 2 energy-efficient 7-watt LED bulbs that last over 20 years without overheating or burning out. Its warm 2700K light enhances any room with a soft glow, perfect for living rooms or bedrooms. Experience a stylish, durable, and energy-saving lighting solution designed to brighten your indoor spaces comfortably and beautifully. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.